Hello and welcome to the Certified Dental Assisting Program at Okanagan College. This is the entrance, the main entrance to our clinic. As you can see that it is the reception area. And then from the reception area, we enter into the clinic. We've got 9 fully functional operatories. There are 4 operatories in line here that simulate an actual dental clinic, beautiful A-deck units. Each operatory is equipped with its own X-ray head. Okay. Another thing that each operatory is equipped with is a full screen TV, so that when we do our demonstrations for our students, we can broadcast that to each operatory. So again, looking back down the main clinic hallway here, we see 4 state-of-the-art, fully functional and high-tech operatories. At the end of the hall here, we have a Panorex machine. We have our PSPICS workstation. And right now, the students are practicing on a mannequin, taking Panorex. And during our patient care clinic in May, of course, they will be taking x-rays on the public in our direct patient care clinic. So we're going to walk back down the hallway across from the 4 dental operatories into what we have begun to call the quad. And the quad is a 4-bay operatory, and it is designed so that we can do evaluations in this area, and we can evaluate our students while the other students that are not being evaluated are, practicing their skills in the rest of the dental clinic. And as you can see here, and as I mentioned, each operatory is equipped with a full screen television that we broadcast from our demonstration op. So we're walking out of the quad and back into the main hallway again. And this is our demonstration op. It is facilitated with 2 cameras, 1 wide-angle camera and microphone that you can see in the corner, and 1 smart camera. The smart camera, we can do close-ups in the oral cavity when we have a patient or a mannequin in the chair, and we broadcast that to the operatories. And then the wide-angle camera we used to show the students what things look from, about this area and what our setups look like. The nice thing about having this technology is that not only do we broadcast it to the operatories where our students can practice live, but we can also record our demonstrations so that our students can review all the procedures and processes on their own time, asynchronously. Down at the end of the hall, we have another PSPICS workstation, and into our manufacturing lab. Now today, as you can see, the lab is acting as a makeshift classroom because we will be evaluating tomorrow, and this is a space where the students can come and review the different theory lessons that they are learning. The lab also functions in a full capacity with model trimmers and lathes and equipment that we use to make bleaching trays, for example. It's fully ventilated, as you can see. It's really a fantastic workspace. And then we also have technology in this room as well. So if we're doing a lab demonstration, we can record that and broadcast that also. And that brings us into our sterilization area. And as you can see, this space is very efficient for infection prevention and control. We have a flow in here. You can see we start at red, which means dirty, and then we have white, which is clean, and we go to our blue area, which is sterile. You can see that all our sterilizers are, of course, top of the line, well monitored, highly functional. And this is where the students will experience a sterilization area very similar to the sterilization area that you would find in dental clinics. And then this brings us to the rear entrance of our clinic, where our students come in and they can change. And then we have a locker room for them as well.